What's the real secret to better leadership coaching? As an engineering manager, you know the role has evolved. It's no longer enough to be the most senior person in the room with all the answers. The old top-down directive approach creates bottlenecks and disengages your best people. Today's leaders are expected to inspire and connect, to build a collaborative framework where their teams can truly thrive. So, how does leadership coaching actually work? It boils down to three fundamental shifts in your approach. First, you must focus on coaching rather than simply directing. When a team member comes to you with a problem, resist the instinct to immediately give them the solution. Your goal isn't to solve it for them, but to help them build the muscle to solve it themselves. This creates ownership and capability. Second, effective coaching hinges on asking open-ended questions, listening attentively, and expressing empathy. Instead of asking a yes or no question like, "Did you fix the bug?" try asking, "What approaches have you considered for this, and what's making it tricky?" Then truly listen to the answer, not just to find a space to talk, but to understand their perspective. Third, embrace what's called confrontational inquiry. Now that sounds intense, but it's not about conflict. It's about respectfully challenging assumptions to stimulate deeper discussions. It's asking questions like, what's the core belief driving that decision? Or, what might happen if we assumed the opposite were true? This pushes your engineers to move beyond surface-level thinking. Here's how this looks in a regular one-on-one. A developer is struggling with an architectural choice. The old you might have dictated the path forward. The coaching you uses open-ended questions to explore their challenges and aspirations. You listen actively, offering supportive feedback, and maybe use a thoughtful inquiry to challenge a limiting assumption they've made. Through this conversation, they discover a new path forward, one they now own completely. Great leaders inspire growth through thoughtful coaching, not just authority. Here's a simple action for you. In your one-on-ones this week, make a conscious effort to ask one more open-ended question than you normally would. Just see what changes. It's a small shift that can unlock incredible potential.